Good morning, students. This is Dr. Nira Konar. This is part 7 of Facing Interviews, and this is part of a larger series that I am making for all of you called Classroom Without Any Borders. Now, part 7, what are the things we are going to look at? Now, the first part of the interview that I covered in part 6, like the opening questions, tell us about yourself. Now, I said that they are going to ask other questions, other HR related questions also, and technical questions. Now, that would be actually moving gradually into the second part of the interview. Now, apart from tell us about yourself, they will be asking other HR questions like tell us people in your family who may have been engineers, then why did you choose engineering? Why did you choose this particular college? Why did you choose this particular stream also they can ask, as well as they can ask you embarrassing questions like why is there this gap year in your CV, in case there is a gap year, because sometimes many students they drop after their +2 and then they wait for a year or so and then they pick up the stream of their choice. So those questions can definitely be asked, and you go through your own CV, you try to find out, if I were the interviewer, what are the questions I would be asking, and you prepare accordingly. Now, as to the question as to why you chose that particular stream, if it is a stream after your own heart, your own choice, you speak what you wanted to, like why you wanted to. Now, supposing it is something you got after counseling, maybe you wanted CS, you have got ME, or maybe you wanted ME but you have got EE. So in that case, maybe the honest answer would be that this is what came up in my counseling. But sometimes it is better to be perhaps tactful, diplomatic, and you point out the plus points, because what happens after you start studying, you start loving the subject also. So you point out the plus points of that particular subject. Again, another uncomfortable question that can be asked that is often asked is that you are from this particular stream, maybe you are from electrical, then why are you coming in for now a software job? Because that is the grim reality, that sometimes you are not able to get a job in the core company, or maybe the colleges, they are able to bring in the software people, the software companies, but not really the core companies. But there is, on the other hand, another answer also, and that is that you also have a good grounding not only in computer sciences, but many of the companies, they have use for all these other streams also. So you speak confidently, you are a capable person, and go through whatever you are doing in a serious manner, and that confidence should come through when you are speaking. And as to why you chose this college, you give good reasons, that this is one of the best private colleges or government colleges. These are the plus points. Why you chose this particular university, maybe you have come from Bihar, why did you choose this university? Then you give the plus points of this university. Do not be apologetic. Whatever you are doing, you should do it with self-pride and honesty. So these things, HR related questions, other questions also they can ask, like whether you are comfortable in this stream, whether you will be comfortable working in some other stream, whether you have some hands-on experience. They can ask you also that you are a fresher, why should we choose you? You say that yes, I am a fresher, you accept, but then you say that I am hardworking, I am capable, I can take up challenges, and since I am a fresher, I have the latest knowledge also in this field. So that is perfectly okay. Now, after looking at these HR questions, you look at the technical questions that can be asked, and for this reason, I would suggest that you go through all the technical journals that could be useful. You go through your own summer training, because they will be asking you questions on your own. What did you do at the training? What did you learn? Where did you go? You carry those files. You answer the questions. They can ask you about they should also ask you about the project. You prepare on the project, and they can ask you to draw some circuit or give some technical hands-on experiment to do also if they feel like. So be prepared for all these things in this portion of the interview, which is the middle portion of the interview, and we will be dealing more about it in the next segment in part 8 of Facing Interviews. Till then, keep thinking, keep safe, and be prepared for interviews. Thank you so much.